Update your phone for fixed drops calls. Part 2. Go to setting, general, software updates, and top download and install to update your iPhone. Download and install to upgrade your iPhone to the latest iOS version. To install an Android update. To install an Android update. To go to setting, system, advanced system update, and tap check for update. The steps to install Android updates may vary depending on the model of your Android smartphone, depending on the model of your Android smartphone. Smartphone. Connect your phones. Connect your phone's manufacturer for detailed instruction on instruction installing Android updates. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel latest new video. Thank you.